guys, right behind me is the Egyptian Museum. We're about to go check that out and uncover the secrets of ancient Egyptian culture. So come with me.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
This person right here has no excuse. Like, who wouldn't want extra hands? You can tell what type of materials that they use for fashion. Like, I would say the Egyptians were way ahead of their time when it came to fabrics, especially with linen. Linen was a sign of like popularity and wealth, and especially the colors. The colors distinct on how the class system was. So as you can take a look right here, blue is really good popular color, and then the reds. Iconic reds. Good. And also you can tell that there were Roman artifacts, Roman or Greek artifacts that you can tell, but because it's distinct, it is the Bronze Era. So there was the occupation when the Romans or the Greeks came in. So it's probably before they invaded and took over Egypt, or during the time where they were bartering and then working together. Oh, look at the swords. As you look, the Egyptians were they were very good at what they did, especially with bronze material, making really good quality weapons that last them for centuries. And look how good condition this is. It's amazing. They were ahead of their time, and they did not even know it. As you can take a look, it is absolutely Roman. How iconic is that? Romans had a great influence, a really big influence in the stage of where Egypt was in the process of their dynasty being eliminated. And so there was a lot of influence being taught on, especially with language, culture, and also with bartering. All right, what's up, guys? I was only able to get 2 mummies. One guy caught me and I had to delete my video on my GoPro, but luckily I had my phone, so I just took a quick picture and video. So I'm gonna see what else I can find in this museum, and I'll keep you guys informed on awesome things in this museum. All right, so see you in a bit. At that moment, he knew he messed up.
سوري ايه ده انت هتموتنا سوري ايه عبيط ده ولا ايه؟ لا لا
بص بتصور. لا ما انا قفلتها بس انت شغلتها تاني.
هذا بص وقال لك انا سوري.
Alright, so my GoPro fell off of a balcony and security guards were trying to confiscate my GoPro. This broke, so I'm gonna still use it somehow. But they were trying to convince me to delete all my videos and all my photos, even though I paid for the ticket too. Believe me, 500 pounds. It's worth it if you are. It's I can't really say if it's worth it or not, because you can see a lot of this in like different countries or so, but 500 pounds, man, I feel like I got violated. But I'll catch you guys later. I'm ending this video segment right now, but have a good day. Stay up, stay blessed. All right, peace.